looking back at your entire career, it's just all fast paced. You're gaming, esports, now crypto, and now you've jumped in with Minutes Network. So, I mean,
Both
working
feet
on,
first.
yeah, exactly. So, you've worked on these global franchises that have reached millions and millions of people. What drew you to Minutes Network? And, why do you feel like it's the right project for you right at this stage in your career?
I'm curious and I'm always learning, and I'm always attracted to big, bold visions. And I have self-interest, and I love very large, stagnant industries with lots of revenue.
Right?
And at the same time, there's sort of caring is sharing element to Minutes Network and the sharing economy, and the idea that everyone that's participating in the network economy can benefit. Um, and then, from my time with the Minutes Network team and everything I understand about the technology, and when we think about 3 years out, 5 years out, and just all the things we can do, not just roaming and SMS and, cloud PBX and IoT and but then actually what we can start doing with the way we're leveraging technology and really pushing the boundaries of the sharing economy of everyone benefiting and participating and rising, all boats, right? And that sort of is meaningful to me, and leaving a mark and actually making a difference. And I think I've always wanted to be involved in something that is changing, whether it's through disruption, whether it's nicely, softly, but making a mark, having purpose. And of course, we want to make money. And there's so many revenues in terms of, we look at Minutes Network, we look at the telecom industry, and on the GSM side, nothing's been done, no innovation, total stagnation. And well, we've got new technologies. Oh, let's have a decentralized infrastructure. Boom! Cut out all the middlemen. Fat margins. Keep it all. But we had help. And we love our community, and everyone's supporting, and we have the sharing income. Couldn't do it without you. Here you go. Let's redistribute the value flow, and everyone, let's all enjoy and benefit together.
Right.
Amazing. So that's very compelling to me.